Make a great choice today with the 2021 Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is sculpted to look nimble while hinting at the incredible power concentrated inside. The interior of the NX directly evokes the premium urban feel of the vehicle, combining the structural beauty of a high-performance machine with a material feel that maximizes luxury and functionality. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.